मी निलिमा कदम. आजचा आपला विषय आहे जनरल सायन्स इयत्ता 7वी. आजचा आपला घटक आहे गती, बल व कार्य, मोशन, फोर्स अँड वर्क. पाठातून प्राप्त करण्याच्या अध्ययन निष्पत्ती, अंतराचे मापन व गतीची सापेक्षता या संकल्पनांचा दैनंदिन जीवनात कशा प्रकारे वापर केला जातो हे समजू शकणार आहात आणि त्याचा वापर तुम्ही करणार आहात. अंतर, विस्थापन व वेग या संकल्पना स्पष्ट होणार आहेत. डिस्टन्स, डिस्प्लेसमेंट आणि वेलोसिटी या संकल्पना ज्या आहेत या तुमच्या स्पष्ट होणार. थोडंसं मागील भागात आपण काय झालं आहे ते बघणार आहोत. ॲट अ ग्लान्स, what is distance and what is displacement? The length of the route traveled by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance, and the minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from original point to final point is called displacement. आता या ठिकाणी आपण बघणार आहोत A पासून F पर्यंत पोहोचायचं आहे आपल्याला. Now an object moves along the grid through points A, B, C, D, E and F as shown below. Now the side of the square tile measures 1.5 kilometer. That means this distance, this is a square tile. Okay. Now side is how much it is? 1.5 meter. Now see the distance covered by the moving object is. What is the distance traveled? That is from A to B, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF. So let's count. It is 1.5, 1.5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1.5 into 6. That is, it will come approximately equal to 1.5 into 6, that is equal to 9. So 9 plus BC 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3. Then this is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, that is 1.5 into 3, that is 4.5. Then again DE is 1.5 and EF is 1.5. So what is the total? That will be equal to 19.5 kilometer. Okay. Now this is the moves along the grid. This is the distance traveled by a object from A to F. Now let's find out the displacement. For displacement, we have to take, so A to F, which is the minimum distance? Yes, this is the minimum distance. So here this is right angle triangle, triangle APF. So according to Pythagorean theorem, AF is the hypotenuse. So AF is the minimum distance. So from A to F we get displacement. So how to calculate this? So by Pythagorean theorem, AF square. Now see here AP. AP is 1.5, 1.5 means AP is 6. PF again 1, 2, 3. So PF will be 4.5. Now we have to find out AF. Now this we can't find out because this is a hypotenuse. So AF square according to Pythagorean formula AF square equal to AP square plus PF square. AP is 6 is equal to 6 square plus 4.5 square. So 6 square is 36 plus 4.5 whole square, that is 20.25. So total will be equal to 56.25. Taking square root of both the sides, AF equal to 7.5 kilometer. So dear friends, the distance is 19.5 kilometer and displacement is 7.5 kilometer. Okay. So the magnitude of displacement is 7.5 kilometer and distance traveled by object is 19.5 kilometer. So have you got this? The difference between the distance and displacement? Okay. Between distance and displacement. The complete length of the path between any two points is called distance, and displacement is the direct length between any two points when measured along the minimum path between them. Distance is a scalar quantity as it only depends upon the magnitude and not the direction. Displacement is a vector quantity as it depends upon both magnitude and direction. Distance can only have positive values. Displacement can be positive, negative, and even zero also. So this is the difference between distance and displacement. Now speed and velocity. Now let us find out what is velocity. Now speed. Speed is simply how fast you are traveling. Now this car is traveling at a speed of 20 meter per second. एकक कालावधीत वस्तूने पार केलेले अंतर म्हणजेच चाल होय, स्पीड. And what is velocity? So velocity is the speed in a given direction. एकक कालावधीत विशिष्ट दिशेने वस्तूने कापलेले अंतर म्हणजेच वेग होय. Now this car is traveling at a velocity of 20 meter per second east, in the direction of east. So which direction is important for velocity? So velocity is the distance traversed by an object in a specific direction in unit time. Now see here, these two cars are moving. One car in this direction, that is right side, and this is going left side. Now speed is same, that is 25 meter per second. So here the velocity will be minus 25 meter per second and here plus 25 meter per second because their directions are in opposite direction. तर वेग म्हणजेच विशिष्ट दिशेने एकक कालावधीत वस्तूने कापलेले अंतर होय. Velocity is the distance traversed by an object in a specific direction in unit time. Now, the velocity can be calculated by following formula. वस्तूचा वेग खालील सूत्राच्या सहाय्याने काढता येतो. वेग बरोबर विस्थापन छेद विस्थापनाला लागलेला वेळ. Velocity is equal to displacement upon period of time required for displacement. To that much displacement, how much time is required? That is, period of time is important. So, the difference between the speed and velocity. Speed is the quantitative measure of how quickly something is moving. Velocity defines the direction of the movement of the body or that object. Speed is a scalar quantity. Only magnitude is required, but velocity is a vector quantity as magnitude and direction, both factors are required. Speed of an object moving can never be negative. Remember, speed of an moving object can never be negative. Velocity of a moving object can be zero. Speed is the rate of change of distance and velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Speed can be defined as the distance covered by an object in unit time. Velocity can be defined as the displacement of the object in unit time. See here, speed distance covered by an object in unit time, and velocity is the displacement of the object in unit time. This is important. Distance covered and here displacement of the object. So this is the difference between the speed and velocity. या चित्रामध्ये आपण डिस्टन्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिलेला आहे आपल्याला. त्यावरून आपण वेलोसिटी म्हणजेच वेग ठरवणार आहोत. स्पीड आणि वेग आपण ठरवणार आहोत. नाउ हियर फ्रॉम A to D, Ranjit going to school from A to D. Now the actual distance traversed by Ranjit from home to school. Ranjit's home is at A and his school is at D. So actual distance traveled by Ranjit from A to D will be equal to, see here, actual distance here is going to A to B, B to C and then C to D. So AB plus BC plus CD. Now AB, he is going to his friend's house and then they are going to the school. So A to B, AB is 500 meter plus 700 meter plus 300 meter, that will be equal to 1500 meter. Okay, so this is the actual distance traveled by Ranjit from A to D. But Ranjit's displacement from home to school, see here, A to D, displacement is 1000 meter. Okay, that is AD, its displacement. Now he is traveling this distance from A to B, he is traveling in 8 minutes, B to C in 11 minutes and C to D in 6 minutes. Okay, so Ranjit's displacement from home to school is 1000 meter as we know. Now time taken by Ranjit from home to school will be equal to 8 minutes plus 11 minutes plus 6 minutes, that will be equal to 25 minutes. So time required for reaching to school will be 25 minutes. Now let's find out velocity. That's Ranjit's velocity when going from home to school and speed. Now first find out velocity. Velocity will be equal to displacement upon total time. Now displacement is how much? It is 1000 meter upon 25 minutes. Displacement is how much it is? 1000 meter. And total time required is 25 minutes. That is equal to 40 minutes up 40 meter upon 60 second. So 25 4 za 100 0, that is 40 meter, and velocity is meter per second, so upon 60 second, so this will be equal to 0.66 meter per second. Okay, now let's calculate the speed. Ranjit's speed while going to school. So speed will be equal to distance traversed upon total time. Now total he has traversed 1500 meter distance. So 1500 meter upon 25 minutes, that will be equal to 60 minutes, 60 meter upon 60 second. So 25 6 za 150 0. So 60 meter upon 1 minute is 60 second. Okay, so that will be equal to 60 upon 60, means it will be 1 meter per second. Now Ranjit did not take the straight route to minimum distance while going to the school, and therefore here, see here, velocity is getting 0.66 and speed is 1 meter per second. So the magnitude of his velocity and speed came out to be different. Ranjit actually gone by the straight route AD, then the magnitude of his velocity and the speed would have been the same. So speed is simply how fast you are traveling, and velocity is the speed in a given direction. So dear students, this is distance, displacement, velocity and speed. Now in next part we will learn about acceleration, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. तर चाल किंवा वेगाचे एकक मीटर पर सेकंद हे आहे. वेग म्हणजेच काय, तर विस्थापन छेद वेळ आणि चाल म्हणजे अंतर छेद वेळ, आणि या चाल किंवा वेगाचं एकक मीटर पर सेकंद आहे. आज आपण अंतर आणि विस्थापन म्हणजे काय हे बघितलेलं आहे. पुढच्या भागामध्ये आपण वेग, सरासरी वेग व तात्कालिक वेग, वेलॉसिटी, ॲव्हरेज वेलॉसिटी अँड इन्स्टंटेनियस वेलॉसिटी याबाबत अधिक माहिती घेणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर जरूर सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.